Let's see kung ano yung pwede sa camera. No. 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 Camera. 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 Ito. Umuwi na tayo sa bahay ng Brookhaven. Let's go back to our house in Brookhaven. In Brookhaven. Mawax lang naman yan. Hindi naman yan running. Checkpoints nga, hindi nga running. Kailangan ko lang hindi tumakbo. Ingat lang ako. Mas ingat lang ako as ever. Let's rent a house. Let's rent this house. The good house. Back in my holidays, I was a professional Robloxian player. I was a perfect Robloxia driver. Hello? Okay. Okay, meow. Now I'll explore my mansion. This is the whole mansion of mine. Of course I built it. Because I put lots of effort to get this super... This bed is comfortable. I can jump and fly with it. I can also do... I can also get another bed. Ooh, a bed. I likes beds. Hal likes bed. I did to a shower. Plus, my hygiene is empty. I meant hygiene. Let's shower. First, showering is the best part of life. Kapag nakadamit ka. Oh, tingnan nyo siya, nakadamit. Nag-shower nga, nakadamit. Ang damit ko ay puno ng love. Kaso, mahirap lang. Kailangan kong Robux. Wala rin ako kahit ano. Maliligo lang tayo. Nirad ko lang tong bagay na to. Sabihin, Hal, bumili ka ba niyan? Oo ba yun, Hal? Bumili ka? Meron ko lang tong bahay na to para hindi ako sumbungan ng owner. Saya. Hindi na talaga mag-toilet dito. Let's go outside now. Maybe let's go outside now. Maybe. Dito tayo. Tapos, lagay na natin to dito. Tapos, wait lang. Tapos ito. Tapos burahin natin yung bakay dahil nirent lang natin to. Nirent ko lang yung bakay na yan ha. Huwag sabihin ha. Hal, totoo ba yan? Nakabili ka? Then hindi mo na Hal Ete kailangan. Hirap lang ako dito in Brookhaven. I am one of the poorest people ever in Brookhaven. I'm gonna go get my favorite car, Ferrari. Nah, I prefer this one because it's better. It's better. It's filled with driveways. Ako ang getaway driver na sinahal. Hold your hands up. Ako po yung pulis. Dito po ako para i-arestado po lahat. Arestado ko po yung maingay. Kasi po, that's what police officers do. Ina-arrest po nila kung sino po yung maingay. Wala pa rin ako nakikita. Just do it in another vehicle. Meron ko rin yun ha. Ang dami na ng taxes ko. Ang daming edit na tax. Ako pa matatax. Let's just get the Ferrari, the real Ferrari. Oh yeah, my microchips.